So you want to start making money online, but you don't know where to start? Glad you found my video. A lot of marketers feel like this, and of course I felt like this in the very beginning as well. I've been in the affiliate marketing business for about a year now, and it's not an easy task. I didn't have a lot of money starting out, so I had to take the time consumption route. And when they say time is money, they mean it. This time consumption route has taken a lot of time in this program for about a year, and I'm finally to a point and have found an actual program I can promote. It took me a year, guys. Some people say you can start with money. Some people say you can start with time. Some people say you can start with both. Whatever you do, know that it takes time regardless. It's that simple, guys. Alright, so you want to start a business online, but you don't know where to begin. Well, let me tell you right now. Simple freedom. What'd you say, Terry? Simple freedom. What's that? Before I get into that, let's get into this. If you watch any of my other videos on Facebook and other places that I've put them, like YouTube, things like that, you'll know that I preach focus. It is very, very important to know that you need to focus on one platform at a time. You become a master at that platform, you become the expert, and you move on. Simple enough. I also teach not to live in a circular world or a zigzag world, but to live in a straight line world. Where'd you get that from, Terry? Straight Line Leadership. Go to Amazon, get the ebook, read it. It's a really good book, worth the time. But back to the matter at hand. What I mean by this is a circular world are people who learn and 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 learn, and they go into one big old circle learning this skill, that skill. They need to learn this, they need to learn that. Oh, am I ready? No, let me learn something else. But they never really implement. The zigzag world is someone who finds an opportunity, starts promoting, starts talking, and says, this is boring, I'm going to go to another one. Or this isn't working, I quit this one, let me go to another one. They zig, and then they zag. Then they zig, then they zag. And they never get anything done because they don't focus. Other people who have also watched my videos know that I promote ClickFunnels wholeheartedly. But here's something you don't know. On top of ClickFunnels, I also promote Top Earner Mentor. What's that? A mentor of mine was Zach Crawford, and he has a program called Top Earner Mentor. It taught me a lot about affiliate marketing. I mean, a lot. It was worth every penny, guys. Might be something else you want to think about. But Terry, if you focus on ClickFunnels and Top Earner Mentor, why'd you say simple freedom? Let me answer that. Simple freedom is one platform you can sign up for. You then go inside that platform, and what do you have? You have all kinds of different platforms you can sign up with. But didn't you just say focus on one? Focus on one. Focus on Simple Freedom Club. Let your prospects get into Simple Freedom Club. Let them see all the opportunities that are available to them. Let them check out a tab that's called My Recommendations. Guess what I have in mind? That's right. ClickFunnels and Top Earner Mentor. Pretty amazing programs, guys. So, what's the catch? Because, you have this one platform that you have all kinds of different platforms inside it. You can make money. You're focusing on one platform to promote, but yet you're getting multiple streams of income coming in left and right. What's the catch? It's only $35 a month, guys. That is the catch. Time is money. Money is time. And honestly, if you don't have $35, you're definitely in the wrong business. You know, you're going to hear a lot of people out there saying, affiliate marketing, yeah, you can start for free. You don't have to spend a penny. Don't fall into that hype. I fell into that. I believe that. Or you're going to get the ones that say, oh, you're going to earn so much money within a day or two. Don't follow these fake gurus, guys. Don't listen to that. Don't listen to that junk. Listen to me right now. $35. Depending on how big your family is, that could be 1 meal you eat out a day in a whole month, or it could be 2. Give them up, eat at home. Eat as family, guys. You always need family time. Now's a great time to start. And now's a great time to get back to it. Take the $35 you would have spent on that and get Simple Freedom Club. Why? Because it's 100% commissions, guys. The membership fee you pay is $25, and you pay a measly $10 admin fee a month. So you get 100% of the $25. Franco, who is behind Simple Freedom Club, gets the $10, and we're all happy. Oh, but Terry, there's got to be a catch. Man, there's got to be a catch. No. Stop looking for things that aren't there. Stop thinking everything is a scam, guys. This is 100% legit. This is 100% a way to change your life. $35 a month to start, guys. You can stay at that level, or you can skyrocket your income. Your choice. I'm telling you guys, I am offering it on a silver platter. I am handing you the opportunity to change your life. I know a lot of you have been scammed out there, guys. I know a lot of you have been lied to. Take my hand. Come with me into Simple Freedom Club. Join my team, my personal team. And know that you will have someone here to walk you through every step of the process you need help with. Let me be your team leader. Trust me. Put your faith in me. You've done it with a lot of people, and a lot of times you've been burned. Let me show you what it's like to finally have someone you can trust. There's going to be a link in the description below, or if you're on Facebook, it's going to be in the first comment below. Click that link. Watch the 10-minute video. I'll send you right to the video, guys. I won't send you to the landing page. Usually I send people to the landing page. You know what? I'll send you right to the video. I don't need your email. I'm not looking to resell you. I'll send you straight to the 10-minute video. You watch that video. Please watch it to the end. It's only 10 minutes. And if you truly, after that, still don't believe that this is a legit opportunity for you, we'll cut ways. And that'll be that. But if you have any doubt in your mind, or any kind of inkling in your mind that this might actually work for you, I implore you to spend the $35. you're not going to miss it. It might sound big right now, but in the big scheme of things, $35 isn't much. And if you don't like it, don't pay it next month. Walk away. No hard feelings. I'm still here for you if you need help. But I'm telling you guys, I'm 150,000% sure that if you just take the chance, spend the money, get inside this program, you're going to find out exactly how fast you can change your life if you really want to. This is an affiliate marketing club. This is an affiliate marketing school. Franco is going to teach you what you need to know and how to do anything that you could possibly have any questions about. Alright guys, usually I take you into Simple Freedom Club and do the back office, do a tour of one of the programs, but this time I'm not going to. This time, I changed my mind on that because I just want to talk to you guys. What are some questions you have about affiliate marketing? What is holding you back from changing your life forever? Is it really $35? If you'd asked me that same question I would say, probably about 6 months ago. Maybe even sooner than that. I would have told you, heck no, I ain't paying $35. That's way too much. I don't have that kind of money. That's the wrong kind of... I was in the wrong mindset, guys. When I sat back and I looked at it, $35, that is nothing compared to what others have paid, what others charge for the same kind of opportunity. And then you add on top of that the fact that this is the first program I've come across that has multiple streams of income inside the platform, and I only have to promote Simple Freedom Club. This is absolutely amazing, guys. Franco has been in this business for, I believe it's about 17 years. That is almost 2 decades of learning affiliate marketing and being great at it. And he's willing to train you and teach you for $35 a month. Wouldn't you like to learn and learn from someone who knows exactly what they're talking about? So you got Franco training you and teaching you. You have Franco offering you so many opportunities to earn money in this platform. And you have me as your team leader, who will do anything I possibly can to make sure you succeed. All for $35. That's where I'm going to leave that here tonight, guys. If it really means that much to you and that money, you really can't part with it, then you and I aren't a good team. I need people who are willing to do what it takes, guys. I'm not asking for much. Not if you go out and look and see how much other people are asking. You give me $35, and I offer you the chance to change your life. That's the deal that I have on the table for you. Take it or leave it. If you leave it, adios, and I'll see you in another video. If you take it, I'm really excited to have you on my team, and I cannot wait to see what you and I can do together. Y'all have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.